Hi, today we are going to learn what is debugging. So, as we learned many things about our robot and the codes, so let us have a quick revision of that. So, robot is a machine which works all by itself by our instructions. Like if we give the instructions for a robot, then it will work exactly according to that. So, how do we give that instructions? That is where the code comes in. So here we have many blocks. Every block is a different command or a code for our robot. So for this, what we'll be doing is, like even as humans, even robots will make mistakes. But robots, if robot is making mistake, that means the human which is commanding the robot is commanding wrong. So there is some error or any mistake in our program. So how do we correct it? So the correction of that logic or the program or the error is known as debugging, right? So today let's do one simple debugging now, and we'll see how it works. So first we'll go to controls. In controls, my program, because my program is a most important block, and every program we do will be starting with my program because it will contain all our program in that. So first we will plan what to do. So first we want a robot to move in a straight path and then turn left and move one step forward. So this path we want our robot to go, right? So for that, what we'll be doing is we will go to and we will go to move forward and drag it under my program. So let's make it short and simple, right? Everyone likes short and simple. So first we will move forward four steps. So it is something which has been repeated. So if something is repeated, that is known as loop. So in loop, we will click on first block and we will place it here. So after this, after adding some value in here, we can repeat it as many times we want. So we will go to math and we will click on our first block and drag it here. So now we will tell our robot to repeat this task multiple times. So first in this we want it to go 4 steps, right? 4. After clicking on 4 and entering it, now our robot understood that I want to repeat this task 4 times. So what it should repeat is moving forward. So now it will move forward 4 times. Then after that we want it to turn right. Turn right. Do you think why I have placed the turn right here instead of placing it here? It looks more cool, right? But I don't want it. Why? Let's see how what it does. So now it is going straight and turning right and again turning right and straight. So it is not moving in a straight path. Why? Because we have told our robot to move one step forward and turn right, again move, again turn right, again move and turn right. So as per our code, it is making a square path here. So we didn't want a square path. So for that, what we want to do is this turn right is a different block or a different command, you can say. Like I'm telling you to go straight and turn right and get that chocolate. But if I tell you go right and straight and get the chocolate, you'll face some obstacles there or something like that, right? So the same goes with robots too. Then I'll drag this block and drop it here. So now what a robot will understand is that I have to move forward 4 steps in a straight line, then I should turn right. And what to do after turning right is moving forward one step. Let's say 2 steps for better understanding. So now in this program, a robot have understood that I have to move forward 4 times and turn right. After turning right, I have to move forward 2 times. That is 2 steps. So for that we will reset first, and then we will save our project. Saving the project is important because all the information or the changes we have made will be saved, so that we will not repeat those errors again and again. So then we will click on start. As we clicked on start, a robot moved 4 steps forward and turned right here. Oh, wait. We planned it to go this way, right? But it is going this way. Oh, that means we have done an error. So how do we rectify that? That is where the debugging comes. So if we see our program, whenever the robot is doing some mistake or it is not going as we have commanded it to go, we will check our program. So in our program, we have told a robot to turn right here, so it is going forward, and for the robot, this point, this path is right side, so it is turning right here. So but for us this is left, but so we will remove this turn right path. How to do that? If we drag the first block, all the block comes out. So after getting out, we will click on move forward, and we will place it back again. So our turn right part is out of the program, and we will delete it. And after deleting it, again we will go to motions, we will add turn left. So now what a robot will do, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and left. Yeah. So now it went as we wanted it to go. Now it is working correctly. So if I say that I want my robot to move 5 times, I'll just change this value to 5 and enter it. After entering it, when we see from this point itself, a robot is going forward. That is why the resetting is important. If we reset it, it will come back to its original, and it will start again from here. So now it is going and stopping here as we have commanded. It is working. So this is how finding error and correcting that is done. If the process of this finding error and correcting it is known as debugging. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, future robot builders.